Just 1 minute. Just let me try if I can log in there. Just 1 minute. Okay. Just one. Okay. Just 1 minute. Yeah. One minute. I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. Right. So one. So I've used some other access, guys, to log in. So just some restrictions will be there. Yeah. Come on. So where did we stop? Last class we stopped at AW01 and something. We have created the asset and all. What was my company code? ZAPL, right? My asset number. Okay, so we created 1, 2, 3, 4 assets, right? Okay, depreciation run is over, completed, posted also. Okay, so let me check one asset. Yeah, so we have, okay, we have successfully posted. Okay, right. Good. So now, next is what? Retirement process, no? Retirement process, tell me guys, total how many assets I have now? Total four assets we have. So I am going to retire the asset. What is the T code to retire the asset? What is it? A, B, A, O, N, na? Okay. So first what I do a normal retirement, na? So 2 lakh 1, 2 lakh 1 asset. Sub asset I am retiring. So this asset, what is it? It is like depreciation has been posted 575 till month end, right? Okay, so I purchased the asset, acquired the asset on what date? Acquired the asset on 22nd we acquired. 22nd, I don't know what is the system date today. Okay, let me check. FB50. It is taking 13th. My goodness. Okay, fine, no problem. So what is it? So now we are going to go to, I have acquired the asset on 22nd. So I go to ABAON, right? Depreciation posted up to 28th, right? Yeah, probably. So if I go to ABAON, slash n ABA ON. Asset sale without customer. Okay. So here I'll give my prints, what I want to do, document date, what I want to do. I want to take it on 20, so say 23rd, after 2 days, 24th I want to sell. So I want to give the date as 24th. I cannot give today, because without purchasing, how can I sell? Correct. So that is 24.02.2025. Now value date. Okay. What is the value date? I will take 24 only. Okay. Right. So this is the asset sale without customer, right? So what I will do now, I will simulate and check what will happen. Yeah. Let me simulate. How much revenue? Revenue is 3,10,000. Revenue is 3,10,000. Simulate. So you got this entry. How much we are losing out here? Is it loss or gain? It
Gain.
is gain, no? Profit on sale. How much? 10,160. Got it? So like this. If I give same entry, I want to show you the loss entry also. So if I give here same, everything is the date is the same. So only 2 days, no? 1 day's depreciation it is taking. 24 dot. So let me give this value date also give. Then you come down. Manual revenue I am giving 2,90,000 only. Then in that case, what I will get? I will get loss, no? In that case, I will get loss, right? Yeah. Loss on sale 9836. Is that clear? Yeah. So this is the asset retirement without customer. Now, same way, suppose I am trying to do F dash 90. Okay. F dash 90. So
90.
here 92, no? Sorry, not purchase, but retire, no? F dash 92. F dash 92. So now I am giving my date. What is my date today? 24. Today 24. Okay. So I am giving date as today as 24. 24. Okay. Then. So what is that I do? Retirement process. Same process, guys. So 01. What is it? Customer. Na? Who is our customer now? Am I using BP anywhere here? BP is coming anywhere? No, it is all pure customer, right? Yeah, so next dealer here, BP name also not coming, a partner number is coming here. So select the customer. Okay, press enter. Document date is in future, I know. Next. Now amount, how much we are selling. No, same asset. Suppose if I am taking same asset, suppose if I am selling with customer, okay, 3,10,000. Okay. Now here what I do, you know what we give guys here? When you are retiring, you are saying 15 revenue from sale. Remember? Here we give revenue from sale of asset, right? Correct, no? I think you forgot. This account we give no retirement process.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. When
Yes,
you
sir.
press enter, it will ask which asset you want, what amount. 3,10,000. Okay. It will ask asset retirement. Correct, no? It will ask, right? Press enter. So when you say it is which sales order or which cost center, order assignment, press enter. So now asset number. What is my asset number?
2 lakh.
Which is my asset number? 2,10,000, no? 111111. This is my asset number. Asset value date I am taking as 24th. 24th. Complete retirement we are doing. Correct? Complete retirement. Yeah, press enter. Amount posted is what? Okay, just 1 minute. Let me press. Okay, right. So this is it. So we have selected that asset, document, simulate. Enter. So here it will show the lines. Doc asset accounting lines it will show. Total 6 lines. Correct? Yeah. Like, got it? Same like as we used to get in same na ECC. Ditto as it is we are getting. Clear everybody? Okay. Loss on sale we are getting. This is 6 lakhs. Wrong asset we selected, I think. 2 lakh 1 main asset we select. No problem. That's why we are getting loss. Okay, let me do it once again. Slash and what we are doing. How do I do? F dash
92.
92. I go. Same process, no? Same process. So I give like this. You give your 24th date. Then you come down. Come down. 01. What is your customer? This is your customer. Press enter. Press enter. Amount we are selling it for 3 lakh 10. Come down here. And here we give 50. Na? We give revenue from sale. Na? We give 50. Which account we will give? We'll give our revenue from sale of asset account. Press enter. Next screen it will ask the amount and you tick this. Na? You tick this. Yeah, you tick this. Then you press enter. Yeah, yellow warning. Press enter. Then you give the asset number. 2 lakh 1. Na? That's what is the mistake we have done. Asset value date we are giving. Complete retirement we are giving. Present. Okay. So then you go to document simulate. Okay. Yellow warning present. So go to asset accounting. You can see the lines here. All the lines you can see. This is asset sale with customer. Okay. Right. So any difference, guys? There is once we are clear on with the configuration part, in the system wise, there is no difference at all. Okay. Right. So what is the next thing we have? Asset transfer. Asset transfer we are talking. What is the T code? Asset with customer, without customer we have seen. Asset
Retirement without
transfer.
revenue.
What is it?
Retirement without revenue.
Retirement scrapping
Scrapping.
of the asset. Okay. Yes. Yes. What is the T code? Retirement without revenue. ABUMN.
ABAB.
ABAVN. Yeah. Okay. Retirement by scrapping, right? Okay. So now I give the date. I give the date. I give my date like this. Okay. Then what is it? Okay. Now, which asset? This asset I am giving value date also today only. So system not asking any value, no document value, nothing. It is asking why
Just scrapping only, total scrapping.
total amount. No, whatever is the value in that asset today, as on today on 24th, it will scrap, right? Okay.
Yes.
Let us see now. Simulate. Let me check. Yeah. So total today's depreciation is 164. Balance all it has scrap. Okay. Right. This is scrapping. Same AB. What is it? ABABN. Next. Asset transfer. What is the transfer here? ABUMN, right?
Yes.
ABUMN. Asset transfer. Okay. So here, if I am transferring, na, asset transfer, value date, transfer what you want to do. You want to create a new asset, you can do. Correct? Suppose I am dividing the main asset, na? 2 lakh 10. This asset is there. Main asset I want to divide into two parts. Building 1. Then what is that? I want to divide. So posting date also 24th only. And then new asset I want to create. It will ask me the master data. Now, no, existing asset, new asset. So this is my ZAPL commercial building. Yeah. So I want to divide it. No? I want to split it into two parts. So transfer we do for two reasons. No? What are the two reasons why we do the transfer?
When we want to split the asset into
Two or more parts, or another one is
Change the
when we want to change the asset class of it.
asset class of the asset. Yeah. So now I am talking about splitting the asset. Yeah. Right. Good. Good. So asset class, what is my asset class now? This is my ZAPL,
PUI.
ZABUIL, right? Yeah. So I'm creating one asset master here. Click on master data. Click on master data. So ZAPL, I'm creating. Yeah. Asset number. ZAPL commercial building name I have given. Come down, click on additional data. Here press enter. ZAPL, is it not existing? ZAPL, I did not give PL, na? That's why it is. So here I gave wrong. New asset. Come down. My asset class is not ZAP build, na? ZAPL, right? PLBUIL. Correct. So always don't type, na? Always pick it up from the drop down. Yeah. Master data. So now you come down, click on asset master additional data. Then it will ask further details. You are creating building one, commercial building you are creating, and what is it and all that. Capitalization date you can.
Capitalization.
Okay, it's lease. Now depreciation area, depreciation key ZAP 1, na? 1. Useful life is what?
10 years.
10 years. Depreciation start date I want to do today. I am taking 24th. Okay. Okay. General data. Go back. Now you go back. You cannot save this. Go back. Back. Close this. So now you are in asset retirement again. Okay. Then you. Okay. I think we better shift to our options. That's one. Okay. So where are we are now? We are in
UMN.
ABUMN, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. So transfer within the company code. So all its font is less. This is better. So now I am giving my document date. I am giving my document date here. Value date I am giving. So this is new asset I am giving the description here. Asset class, build the master data. ZAPL is being processed. So let me close this. Okay. Right. So now let me give the date. Let me give today's date 24. Asset value date is today. New asset I am selecting, and then I am giving the description asset class ZAPL build master data. Now it will ask. So click on additional data. Here you will give whatever you want to give. Depreciation key, useful life 10. Depreciation start date is this. Okay, press enter. Now we are going to go back here. Go back, close this, close this. Now here, are we doing total asset transfer or partial transfer? I'm doing partial transfer. So in this asset, I think 6 lakh is there, no? So I'm going to transfer about say 2 lakhs. Okay, I'm going to transfer 2 lakhs to the commercial bill. Okay, press enter. This is current year acquisition, right? Yeah, this is not last year, current year acquisition. So now you go simulate and check. So you are getting a new asset number. Intern you are getting means new asset number you will get. Got it? So when I save this, what will happen? You will get a new asset number. So 2 lakhs will be moved from your building one. It will be moved to other asset. So asset to 2 lakh 3 has been created. Transaction has been posted. So if I go to my AW01N, yeah, AW01 and I got a new asset now 2 lakh 3 commercial building asset I got 2 lakhs has been transferred. What happened to my main asset 2 lakh 1? It has been reduced now 4 lakhs. Previously it was 6 lakhs. Now I split it into two parts now. So this will be my 4 lakh, this will be 2 lakhs. Is it clear, guys? So asset accounting. So before we proceed, let's have a recap. No, what are the differences in S4? What are the differences, guys? Okay, just 1 minute. I don't think I can open a. Just let me stop share. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, tell me what are the differences you have seen so far. Let us have a recap. Okay, table wise it's okay. So what are the main differences we have seen? But in FI point of view, what are the differences you noticed? In FI point of view.
Sir,
From
yes,
F,
We have to
Parts
maintain
are
accounting
mandatory.
principles at the organization.
what is it? First one?
We have to maintain the accounting principle policy.
Accounting principle has to be maintained. Correct. Next. Accounting principle made mandatory. No, no.
Yes.
Correct. Accounting principle is mandatory. No, has been made mandatory. Correct. Next.
Business partner has to be maintained mandate.
Business partner is mandatory. Where you create business partner? What is the T code?
BP, or if you use FD01 or FK01, it will directly take those.
Okay. What is the business partner role for vendor?
Here in FI, there is no rules, but we can use it for class applications.
No, no. What is the role? Standard role for BP for vendor?
FL, VN double.
FLVN 00. Correct. What is the standard role for customer?
FLC and
FLCU.
CU double.
CU 00. Okay. So BPT code is slash and BP, right? Okay. What
Yes.
is CVI?
Customer vendor interface.
Okay. What does it mean?
It's like assign the vendor group with BP group and customer group with BP.
Yes, correct. So if yes, it is assigning the number group, no BP group to vendor group. Correct. Good. So depending upon that only BP number and vendor number will be decided. Correct. So what configuration will you do to get the BP number and vendor number same? I want both of them same. So what are the precautions you have to take?
In the vendor or customer master group main group T code, we have to take the external.
We have to take external. Yeah, and then where you will take same numbers? You have to take something, na? Then only you will get same numbers, right? So in the BP, when you are assigning in the CVI integration, in the CVI only we take same numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Okay, good. Next, what else? What else? In the GL master, what are the changes?
We have to clear the cost element
Cost
along with
element.
the cost.
Okay, before that groups, no?
Yeah,
Account groups. How many account groups you have now?
4.
4.
We have 5. What are they?
Including balance sheet.
Yeah, cash,
Hmm.
non-operating,
Cash, non-operating. What else?
primary cost,
Primary,
revenues,
secondary.
secondary balance sheet.
All are created in the GL only. Correct. Good. Next. Okay. Configuration wise, we have 2 more steps now. What are they? One is accounting principle and ledger you have to specify. Second,
For controlling area also.
controlling in a ledger for CO version for the ledger. No? Yeah, we have to give that one also. Good. Next. What else? What is a Fiori app? It is an, yeah. So to access through the user interface too. Correct? Yeah. So for every screen, for every T code, there is a tile. Na, you have seen, right? We posted also. Correct or not? We posted invoice and all, right? Yeah. So for every FB501 tile we call it. Like, no tiles we have, no tiles, equal size tiles, square boxes, tiles, they say, tiles. So for every T code, you have a tile now, no? Okay. What is the T code for Fiori Launchpad?
/UI2/FLP.
FLP. FLP is Fiori Launchpad. User interface 2. Correct? Good. Okay. So now, where do you work generally Fiori apps? Some guy says, no? So SAP has provided the standard Fiori apps. I want like this, no? So for F-FB501 app is there, F-531 app is there, everything there is an app. Now one guy has customized his screens. In a standard SAP, he has changed some fields. So now standard apps will not work now. Correct. So he has customized, he added some new fields, some changes he has done, or he developed a Z report, a new report he developed. That particular report, will you have an app? You don't have, no? Again, that process we have to support. So here will be technical people will be there. Theory related, no, technical consultants will be there. So they are like a little ABAP they know and little Fiori they know. So we will support them. They will ask, okay, how do I create? What requirements are there? What is the T code? What fields are there? They will ask, right? So what are the inputs that we give? No? Okay, input fields what we give, and what are the output fields that we are expecting if it is a report. According to that, they will decide. So you have to guide, no? You know what is a document number, you know what is a posting key, right? So you will tell them. They doesn't know, they don't know. So you have to go to your tables will be there, no? You know how
Yes,
to
yes.
know the technical name for a field.
Yes.
S11 you
S11.
go, S11 you go there, note down the field name, tell the table name and field name to these people. Accordingly, they will map it so that it will come in the mobile app. So we are not developing the apps. Na? How do we know? We are finance people. Na? Can we develop an app, mobile app? Can we develop? No. There are people who are there who are knowledge in it. They will develop. What is our role here? We are there to support them. Correct? Right. So previously we used to work with ABAP. Now we are working with ABAP and Fiori developers. Correct. Additionally, they may also come. We will support them. That's good. So your role is limited to providing the table name field. Correct. And you have to guide them. What are the input fields we give? What are the output fields that we are expecting? Correct. So here mainly when you go, I showed you SQVI. Remember SQVI? SQVI, remember SQL Viewer, Quick Viewer, remember? Here, this one, we use this. Do you remember? No? It's
Yes, sir.
gone?
Yes, sir.
So you give something like this, okay? Vendor requirement you create, no? So when you create, here suppose just I want to show you what will come. Just I want to show. So table join I give. Okay, now press enter. You are inserting table, no? Okay, some table. What is a table? LFA1, LFB1. Remember what is LFA1?
For HANA, it's all AC tokens.
Huh?
In S4 HANA, it's all about AC token only.
No, it's not. Why? Don't get confused. What did I say? I said that. What tables? No, don't think all tables are removed. No? Huh? Vendor master tables they will remove, right? Really? Do you think so? This is vendor master. Did I tell you vendor master tables have been removed? Huh?
No.
I only
Yes.
told index table, aggregation tables, no? Right? These tables will remain same as it is. Okay? Don't get confused. LFB1. This is vendor master, na tables. So now we will add insert table LFBK. We did not like this tables, right? We did. So when I am doing this, when I go back here, I will get like this, na selection fields, right? This is selection fields means what, guys? So note on selection fields. So when they say selection fields means what? What data you will input. These are input fields. Okay. Whenever you say selection fields means input fields. Okay. Suppose if I ask you, I am opening one screen. So if I go to FBL1N, what are the selection fields here? What are the selection fields here? Can you tell me?
Vendor
Code,
account, company code.
company code,
These are
date.
selection fields. Input. This is input, no? You are giving input. And then when I run, what is the output I want? This is no, when I run, what is my vendor number? 79.
79.
79
JD.
ZAPL. So this is the selection fields. So input fields. These we call them as selection fields. Okay, selection fields. So what are the selection fields? This is the output fields. Output fields what I want, like this document number, date, all these are output fields, right? So what are the input fields? So what you need to understand here, what are the input fields? What are the output fields? Output fields are this one, list field selections. Understand? This is the selection field. This is list field selection means output fields. Okay? Okay. So list is coming means it is output. Selection fields means input. Okay? List field selections. Okay, right. So this is list fields. Okay? List fields means output fields. So that you know when they are talking, they'll ask selection fields what? Which means you should know that it is input fields. List fields means output fields. Okay, guys? Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, so what else we have noticed now next? What else? Any other differences? Huh?
In asset accounting, we have to close the previous fiscal year.
Asset accounting, we have to give information about completed fiscal year. About completed fiscal year is mandatory. Correct. Yeah, it's mandatory. You have to give that. Na, then only it will allow you to proceed further. Correct. Good. Next.
Also,
Hmm.
Technical
while
clearing
assigning the
recon
chart of
account is
accounts to our
compulsory.
Yeah, so we need to create a technical clearing account. Technical
And
clearing account, it has to be created. Correct. What is the purpose of this? What is the purpose of?
it's
to just hold the last fiscal year.
See, now you said accounting principle is mandatory na, for depreciation areas.
Yes, sir.
Accounting principle you are giving na, for depreciation areas. Now
Yes.
there is a different different depreciation areas following different accounting principle. The difference will come na, that reconciliation process, this account will help. So first, whenever any entry is getting posted, it will hit the technical clearing account, then it will be again knocked off, right? So this technical clearing account, it will be always zero. It is just used to reconcile the differences arising out of different accounting principles. Okay, that is the purpose of it. Okay, this account will always have zero balance. It will just hit and debited and credited one side. Good. Next. What else? Good. So major differences we have covered. System wise we have covered. FI wise also we have covered. Okay. Good. Okay. So let us go back to our ECC, and then certain topics are there which we need to cover separately. Okay. So like as I discussed, validation and substitutions we have to cover. Uh, Validations and substitutions we have to cover.
Yes, sir.
Substitutions. Okay, what else? We talked about credit management. I said I will cover. Yeah, credit management. Then group accounting. Yeah, group accounting also we will cover. Next,
Trade-offs.
FSCM also. So.
this is yeah same. This is FSCM only. Credit management
Credit
means
management.
FSC. Yeah, CM
Okay.
means credit management, supply chain management. Yeah. Next,
Trade-off.
credit management. IDOC we can cover, but it's all technical. You know, DME process, same it will be like
Direct
this.
profit.
90% it's all ports creation and all. We'll see. Next, it's not finance related. Next, anything missing? Validation, credit management, group accounting. Yeah, LSMW also I will cover. Okay, bills.
It's a transfer request.
TR transfer request. You don't know, ma? TR process.
I mean, we're doing everything in development server.
Okay. This I will show you when we are doing the project. Yeah. Yeah, we will. I will show you practical. I will show. Okay. Fine. So now, okay. Just 1 minute. This I will cover. First, I want to give you because project wise there is some gap is there. Okay. So now you remember your what is that one? Okay. Project classes. Remember? You remember project classes? Like we had 3 servers. No? What methodology you remember?
Yes, sir.
So here, how many types of projects we have? How many projects we have? Implementation project,
Support project enhancement.
support project. What else?
Rollout.
Enhancement.
Rollout project. Correct. Enhancement is the general mini projects they are. Okay. Right. Small, small improvements, whatever we do, we will cover them as enhancements. Okay. Right. So now, so here we have something called implementation. So what it is, see here when it is coming to S4 HANA, there are two possibilities here. What is it? One is there could be somebody who is in non-SAP, means someone who is using Ramco ERP or Tally ERP. Okay, Tally ERP, from Tally ERP he wants to go to S4 HANA. That is one possibility. Or someone who is on ECC, SAP ECC, and he wants to go to S4 HANA. Correct? You understand the difference? Correct? You understand what is the difference between them?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is non-SAP, this is non-SAP, this is SAP. This is somebody wants to shift from non-SAP to SAP S4 HANA, correct? So here he is in some other ERP. So whenever you are doing in S4 HANA, you are doing from scratch, no? So here we will always do, there is something called greenfield implementation. Greenfield implementation. What is greenfield implementation? We are doing from the basics, ground level onwards. Correct? So we are doing, when someone is moving from non-SAP to SAP, what we will do, what type of implementation we do? Greenfield implementation we do. But when it is coming to ECC to S4 HANA, there are two possibilities are there. What are they? One is your greenfield and greenfield we call it. Greenfield and brownfield implementations are possible. Okay, right. So now what is the difference? Greenfield means you are again starting from the scratch, no, fresh. As if you are doing from Tally to S4, no, we will do in S4 HANA as I have done. No? I did not take the data from my ECC to our S4, right? I did again in S4, right? Fresh I did, right? That is greenfield. So what I showed you in S4 HANA system, what type of implementation it is?
Greenfield.
Greenfield. That is green. Brownfield means you are migrating the data. So that we call it as a conversion. No? We call it as conversion, means we are converting ECC to S4. Conversion. Okay, conversion projects, we call it as migration. We are migrating with conversion. Correct. Here also we are migrating, but we are what type of project we are doing? Greenfield implementation. Here also we are migrating, but what type of migration we are doing? Brownfield implementation. Brownfield means we establish the pipeline between ECC and S4. We connect them, we do certain checks, and then we take the data from ECC to S4. Okay. Here SAP is recommending. Okay, so here there are some restrictions are there. So suppose there is a company who is in SAP, but it is in versions before ECC 6. Okay, if there is a company which is in SAP and it is in versions before ECC 6, you cannot do brownfield. Okay, you have to do greenfield only. Brownfield not possible. Here also we have to do greenfield only. Or what you can do, you have to do two projects. Suppose they are in 4.7 version. From 4.7, they have to bring it to 6.0, and then from 6.0 onwards, you can do brownfield. You understand? You cannot do directly brownfield. Okay, next. Then if you are in SAP, if you want, if you are doing cloud on cloud platform, so you are shifting to S4 HANA cloud. There also you cannot do brownfield. You can only do greenfield. You know the cloud?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cloud platforms I discussed. Yeah.
Yes.
So in cloud, can I do brownfield?
No.
On cloud platform, can I do brownfield? You cannot. Only greenfield is permitted. Okay. 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 Good question. See, how do I explain this? See, suppose I have got a new flat. Okay. Suppose I am living in an old flat, 2 BHK I am living. Now I purchased a new flat, ultra posh 4 BHK flat I purchased. Okay. Now I am shifting from my old flat to new flat. Okay. So now here greenfield means what? What they are saying. See, for your new flat, everything new. Your furniture new, furnishings new, curtains new, everything new. That is greenfield. No? You know, the green means what? Green color, leaves. Green leaves, no? Leaves means fresh leaves. No? Yeah. Brown leaves means what? Brown, old leaves. Correct or not? Brown. Brown color indicates what? Old, right? Yeah. Correct or not? So, in brownfield, what they are doing is they are taking the old stuff like your furniture, your curtains to your new flat. Correct? So, whatever configurations you have done, whatever customizations you have done in your ECC, right, that you did for ECC, no? Same thing you will carry forward to S4 also. Correct? So, what is the advantage in taking the old furniture to the new flat, guys? What is the advantage? I am
Cost
taking
will
cost cutting, time saving.
time saving.
Correct? So, I am taking my old furniture to the new flat. Eh? So, I am not buying new furniture. I am taking my old furniture to new flat. So, what are the disadvantages? What are the disadvantages? You take your old furniture, junk into new flat.
It may
It looks odd, na? Now I
yes,
have a beautiful S4 HANA system, very, very fast system. You are telling me I will use this only, means use it, no problem. Correct? So your customizations, they are not done taking S4 speed into consideration. Na? They are done for ECC. So that customizations, whatever code you have written, they will work the same old, same feel you will have. Correct. So imagine I have a big flat, ultra posh. In that old furniture I put in one corner. How does it look? It looks odd. It will not fit. No? My curtains, it will not fit. My furnishings will not. So that's what SAP also saying. When you've invested so much money on S4 and S thing, then why not go for greenfield? No? Why go for brownfield? Correct. So companies also, only when they want to save time, it is not about money. See, when I want to do all those customizations again in S4, no, it will take again write the code and all, develop test, no, it will take some time. So only to save time they may resort to brownfield. Otherwise, maximum it is all greenfield. Is it clear? Yeah. So greenfield can be, so the what are the restrictions here? Greenfield is only permitted for S4 HANA on premises only. Correct. See, you know the cloud. See, why I cannot permit brownfield in cloud? Why they are not here? Brownfield not permitted. Not permitted on cloud. Why? Why not permitted on cloud? No. See, understand. I am having my old flat. Okay. I have my furniture there. Big furniture, old furniture I have. Customizations I have. Now my new flat is rented flat.
yes, sir. And
New. No, he is saying no. All this you cannot bring. Whatever is there, you can use. You understand now? Cloud platform means rented platform. No? Can you do customizations in rented platform?
no,
So can I carry my old customizations into my cloud platform? Can I carry?
no,
That's why brownfield, is it allowed on cloud platform? Not all. You understand, na? Right. So now there is a new, I said hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud, they are permitting little bit. Okay, see now changes will come over time. In the beginning, they said brownfield totally not permitted. Now they are saying hybrid cloud is there. Now there certain things you can bring. That is left to the discretion. Okay, but now understand, on cloud brownfield is restricted. You cannot do. Brownfield is only coming for on-premises only. Is it clear? Yeah. So if you are doing on-premises, if you are on S4 HANA on-premises and you are on ECC 6.0 version and above, then only you have a chance of doing brownfield. You understand? In all the other cases, what you do?
Greenfield.
Greenfield. If you are moving from other system to S4, non-SAP to S4, you are doing greenfield. If you are doing older versions than ECC to S4, you are doing greenfield. If you are in cloud, you are doing greenfield. In all the other cases, you are doing greenfield. It's now here also greenfield and brownfield. If you are deciding, see, I spend lot of money. I spend lot of money on premises. You understand? On premises is so expensive, no? Imagine I am
Yes.
somebody, I am buying the villa. Imagine I am somebody, I am buying the villa myself. I am owning it. Will I think about furnishings? Huh? Really? No, right? So it means I am buying on premises means I have lot of money, right, guys? Will I try to save money?
No.
So will I go for brownfield or greenfield? Okay. So here also greenfield is there. So here understand. So here, what are the cases we have? What are the cases if you have to take it this way? There are companies who are moving from non-SAP to SAP. Okay. In all those cases, what we'll do? Greenfield only. There are companies who are moving from SAP to S4 HANA, ECC to S4. In that also, if it is on cloud, not permitted. If it is on premises, and you are in versions before ECC 6, not permitted. If you are in on premises and ECC 6 version and above only, brownfield permitted. And in that case also, the companies, when they are able to spend so much money and buy, why they will go for brownfield? They will definitely go for greenfield. So 90% what will happen, guys? It will be all greenfield only. Only in 10% of the cases where they want to save the time, it is not about money. When they want to save the time, they want to go for brownfield. Is it clear? This is brownfield is this is little technical. You need to first prepare your ECC system for migration. System. We have certain things, checkpoints we do. We convert the in ECC system. We convert the vendors into business partners, customers into business partners. We convert them in ECC only. We will upgrade our ECC to fit to S4. So certain checks we do, then we put the pipeline, we establish the connection. Technical migration we call it. Technical migration means technical people will come in and establish the pipeline between ECC and S4. And they will do the technical migration. They means basis people. Okay, they will take this data from ECC to S4. So there are some checkpoints before technical migration. There are checkpoints after technical migration. Okay. We call it as pre-migration activities. All this will come where? In brownfield only. In brownfield, we have pre-migration activities. Pre-migration activities we have, and we have technical migration, and then we have post-migration. Correct? So where we have all this? In which type of implementation we have? So brownfield, or we call it as conversion. System conversion. No? We call it as system conversion. In this only you have this. Okay, guys? Yeah. So pre-migration means what? What you will do, your vendors and customers, you make them as BPs. Understand? So because in S4 it is BP, na? So you will upgrade them to BPs. Correct? Those kind of things we do in pre-migration checks. Then technical migration means basis people will take the data from ECC to S4. Then after it is in S4, you will check Post migration means we are doing the checks, no? Whether everything has come properly or not. Post migration checks we do. That is the process. Okay. So here, this is a lot of other people are involved here, no? Technical migration. When they do only, you can see this. Is that clear? Yeah. So we'll stop here for today. We will continue tomorrow. We'll talk about this thing tomorrow. Okay, guys? Yeah. Okay.
Hello,
then.
sir.
Yes, Shubham, tell me.
Yesterday note, sir. I am not present yesterday, sir.
Yesterday there was no
Yeah.
class.
No?
So yesterday there was no class. Don't worry. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
It was cancelled. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.